charging cabinet. 15 unique USB plus Type-C. One piece forming by cold rolling process. Rounded corner impact protection structure. Electrostatic powder coating. Black top and bottom silver gray center section. Rear pulley fixing. Can be installed on the wall. Load-bearing handle. Combination security lock. Easy access to in-house products. High-strength PC spacer. Removable dividers. Suitable for all types of products. Easy management of the charging cable. 100 volts for UVAC power supply. German standard output sockets. Customized output sockets available. Cooling fans, cooling of equipment.